Saving your first $10,000 feels impossible. Until you understand one thing: saving money isn't about being rich. It's about building the right habits consistently. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how normal people can realistically save their first $10K. Many people hear the words "save money" and immediately think of sacrifice. They picture a life devoid of joy. This is the wrong way to think about building wealth. It's a surefire path to failure. True, sustainable saving isn't about depriving yourself. It's about deciding what you value and directing your money toward those things. Saving isn't punishment for spending. It's a reward you give your future self. That $10,000 isn't just a number in a bank. It represents freedom, security, opportunity. To control your money, you first need to know where it's actually going, not where you think it's going. Conduct a simple 7-day spending analysis. For 1 week, track every single dollar. Write down the morning coffee, the pack of gum, the streaming service renewal, the lunch you bought. Use a small notebook, a note on your phone, or a simple spreadsheet. Don't judge the spending, just record it. After a week, categorize your spending: fixed costs, savings goals, and guilt-free spending like dining out, hobbies, entertainment. Many are shocked by invisible purchases: food delivery, daily lattes, unused subscriptions. These are money leaks. Where is money going that doesn't align with what you truly value? Cancel one unused app or pack lunch 3 times a week. It's a strategic reallocation, not deprivation. This exercise is empowering. You're making a conscious choice, not following a restrictive budget. I'd rather put this $150 toward my $10,000 goal than on mediocre sandwiches. You are the CEO of your finances, making executive decisions to optimize cash flow. Find just $50, $100 per month from leaks, and you've got seed money for automated savings, quality of life unchanged. You've simply redirected the flow. Use 50-30-20 as a simple guide. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings investing. Live richly now and later. It's not a false choice. Your first $10,000 is training for this balance. Now that you've found some money, we need to put it to work before you can spend it. This is where the magic of automation comes in. Willpower is for amateurs. The pros use systems. The single most effective thing you can do is make your savings automatic. Set a recurring transfer from checking to a separate savings account on payday or the day after. Treat your savings like a bill, non-negotiable. It just happens, like your rent. Use a high-yield savings account at a different bank. Out of sight, out of mind, and earning higher interest. When money moves before you see it, you learn to live without it. You won't miss what was never there. No remembering, no debating. The system does it for you, consistently and emotionlessly. Start with what's manageable, even $25 a week, then increase later. Automate 85-week and you'll save $4,220 in a year. In a little over 2 years, you'll surpass $10,000, even without raises or interest. This turns saving from a stressful task into a passive process, the core engine of your wealth machine. Set it once and let it propel you forward. Turbocharge your progress with more income. Automation is great defense. Now play offense. Think about skills you already have. These can be monetized. Look on Upwork, Fiverr, and local community groups. Don't aim for $1 million overnight. Aim for an extra $200, $300, even $500 a month. Route side income straight to savings. Add $300 and you've more than doubled your savings rate. That's how a 3-year plan can become a 1-year plan. Research your role, prepare accomplishments, and practice your ask. Most never negotiate, leaving thousands on the table. A 5% raise on $50,000 is $2,500 a year. Direct it to savings and shave months off your 10K timeline. Steady job, automated savings, and consistent side income create a powerful financial engine. Saving your first $10,000 is not a sprint. It's a marathon of small, consistent steps. Some months you save more. Some months an expense sets you back. That's normal. Get back on track. The system is resilient. Break it into milestones. Celebrate progress to reinforce good habits. Use visual trackers. See the upward trend, dips and plateaus included, and stay engaged. You're building discipline, knowledge, and systems, the foundation of your financial life. You're not just saving money, you're building a rich life. The first $10,000 changes your mindset forever. Because once you realize you can save money, you start building real financial freedom. Subscribe to Finance Simplified for practical money advice made simple.